We'll guide you through how to import GLB files in Unity. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because GLB files are widely used for 3D models in games, virtual reality, and interactive applications. To import GLB files into Unity, begin by opening the Start menu on your computer by pressing the Windows key or clicking the Start icon on the taskbar. Type Unity into the search bar and select the Unity application from the search results. Wait for Unity Hub to finish loading completely on your screen before continuing. Inside Unity Hub, locate the project where you want to import the GLB file. Click on the project to open it in the Unity editor and wait for the project to finish loading all assets and packages. After the Unity project is fully loaded, open your web browser and search for the official 𝗟𝗪𝗡 package for Unity. Visit the 𝗟𝗪𝗡 GitHub page to check the package details and make sure it is compatible with your Unity version. Copy the official com.unity.cloud.gold URL text from the page. Return to the Unity editor after confirming the package information. At the top of the Unity interface, click the Window menu, then select Package Management from the drop-down list and choose Package Manager. Inside the Package Manager window, click the plus icon located in the top left corner. From the available options, choose Install Package from Git URL. Paste the official 𝗟𝗪𝗡 package URL that you copied earlier into the text field provided. Click the Install button to add the package into your Unity project. Wait for Unity to automatically download and import all required package files before moving to the next step. Next, locate the GLB file you want to import on your computer and open the folder containing the model file. Drag and drop the GLB file directly into the Unity Assets panel. Wait for Unity to process and import the GLB model into the project successfully. After the import process is complete, locate the imported model inside the Assets folder in Unity. Finally, drag the imported GLB model from the Assets folder into the Scene view, so the model appears inside your Unity scene and becomes ready for editing, positioning, lighting setup, materials adjustment, animation testing, and gameplay integration within your project.